Our Noyce Track 1 project is entitled UPTEMPO, Upgrading the Path to Mathematics Teaching by Adding Express and Multiple On-Ramps. The PI is Susan Nickerson. The co-principal investigators are Philipp and Janet Bowers. The premise of our project is to identify barriers to teacher recruitment and remove them by creating multiple on-ramps toward the path to high-needs districts in San Diego. In order to create the multiple on-ramps, the project developed 4 goals. First, to encourage women and underrepresented minorities to persist in mathematics. This is accomplished by asking upper division role models, who are usually women and some underrepresented minorities, to give short presentations in Calculus 1 classes to explain how research, which is based in mathematics, is helping solve critical problems. The second goal is to raise awareness about teaching as a viable and exciting career. The third goal is to create and advertise multiple pathways to support students who want to become teachers. We've established a new integrated teacher education program that folds the 5th-year credential program into a 4-year course. Another avenue is to allow students with a Bachelor of Science degree to take enough courses to waive their California content test requirements for teaching. The fourth goal is to offer research-based experiences in real classrooms. We've had several successes. First, our recruitment efforts have surpassed our projections for all 3 years, as shown in the graph. In addition, more students decided to take Calc 2 than those who did not decide to take Calc 2. Finally, intern experiences did increase most students' interest in becoming teachers. We're very pleased with our diverse and enthusiastic scholar cohorts. They serve as critical recruiters as we move forward. We found that when candidates engage in teaching experiences, such as working at the Learning Center, or volunteering at schools, or serving as ULAs, they either renewed or in some cases changed their future plans to consider teaching. The founding of the Math Ed Club has also been a successful recruitment tool. The club sponsors speakers and information about the profession, as well as fun social activities so that students can get to know like-minded friends. We have identified 2 gaps we plan to address during the coming year. The first is that we need to devote more resources to advertising the Integrated Teacher Education Program, or ITEP. While we thought this would be an immediate attraction for students, we found that we may need to advertise more, reach out to students earlier in their program so they can fit all of their required courses in a timely manner, and increase efforts to reach out to our partner community college. The second gap we identified was the need to provide more experiences for prospective applicants to talk with experienced teachers to learn about teaching from a professional's perspective. We look forward to learning about your programs.